How to fix the CapCut template is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to access the CapCut's template but it's not working, here are some fixes that you can try on. First of all, make sure that you have selected the correct region. For this, go to Settings, tap on Region under System, and then change the region to your current location. After that, relaunch the app and it should work. However, if it does not, let's move on to next solution, which would be updating your app to the latest version. For this, you have to open Play Store or App Store as per your device. Then tap on search bar, tap for CapCut and tap on update button. This should probably work. However, if it does not, we have to move on to the next solution, which is clearing the cache. Go to CapCut, go to App Info, and then to Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Cache and relaunch the app and try to access the template. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.